Ublalotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Hey everyone! Welcome back to day 4 of our Growth Mindset series. Today, we're going to focus on one small but super powerful word that can change the way you think about your abilities and challenges. That word is yet. Let's see how it works. Have you ever found yourself saying, I can't do this, or I'm not good at this? It's easy to get frustrated and feel stuck. But when you add the word yet, everything changes. I can't do this yet means that you believe you can do it in the future. You just need more time, effort, or practice. Let's take an example. Imagine you're trying to learn to ride a bike. At first, it's really hard, and you might feel like saying, I can't ride a bike. But with a growth mindset, you add yet and say, I can't ride a bike yet. And that reminds you that with more practice, you will get better. The word yet is a simple but powerful reminder that just because you can't do something right now doesn't mean you won't be able to do it in the future. It tells you to keep going, keep practicing, and keep learning. Adding yet helps us stay positive when things are tough. Maybe you're struggling in a subject at school or trying to get better at a sport. Instead of saying, I'm not good at this, you can say, I'm not good at this yet. That little change gives you the motivation to keep trying. People with a fixed mindset might give up when they can't do something right away. They think, I'll never get this. But with a growth mindset, you know that learning takes time. I'll get this, I just need more time, keeps you focused on progress, not perfection. So the next time you feel like giving up or saying, I'll never be able to do this, remember the power of yet. Tell yourself, I can't do this yet, and keep working at it. All right, let's circle up and think about how using the word yet can help you stay motivated and positive. For grades K through 5, your question is, can you think of something you could not do at first, but you kept practicing and got better at it? How did yet help you keep trying? And for grades 6 through 12, your question is, what's one thing you're struggling with right now? How can using yet change the way you think about that challenge? So with the questions put out there, this is a great time to pause, get in your circles, and dive deep into them. And with that said, I want to say, great job today, everyone. Remember, yet is your secret weapon for growth. Just because you can't do something now doesn't mean you won't be able to do it in the future. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.